Making embossed parchment rolling candles needs raw yellow beeswax. It comes in granules or blocks for choice. Heat it over medium heat. Get your stems ready. We've got silicone stems, wooden stems, and traditional handle stems to choose from. They come in different styles. All of them can work. Using silicone stems, you can easily get them at online stores that sell generally supplies. Get a piece of parchment or baking paper. Fold up the four corners to hold the wax liquid. Natural beeswax is burnt yellow. If you want a lighter color, add pigment in the wax liquid to lighten the color. Yellow beeswax has a natural fragrance, so I'm not gonna add candle fragrant oil. When the wax is around 120 degrees Celsius, spread it onto the parchment paper. A small amount of beeswax sets very quickly, especially in winter. After pouring the wax, try not to take your eyes off it. When the surface turns matte, place the stems on top. After placing the stems, gently press them to embed the patterns into the soft wax. Start pressing from the edge of the stems, cause the wax at the edge solidifies faster. Press gently, not too hard, or you might crack the wax. After finishing, trim off the excess wax at the edges. Peel away the paper. We need the patterns on the outside, so start rolling from the back where there's no patterns. Press the cotton wick into the soft wax and start rolling up. Roll it tight and don't leave any gaps in the middle. Roll it about 3 cm, that's the standard diameter for a table candle. When this rolls, use a small craft knife to cut out some wavy shapes along the edge of the wax. Shape it gently according to the shape of the wave, or just shape it as you like. Cut the bottom of the candle flat so that it can stand up. Remelt the wax we've just cut off. Then use a small spoon to fill the hollow at the bottom of the candle with wax. For safety, install a metal base at the bottom. The candle will extinguish itself when it burns down. Thread the candle wick through the metal base, press it into the bottom of the candle, and trim any excess wick. Light an unused candle or tea light. Hold the wavy edges near the flame to melt the wax lightly, rounding out the edges naturally and creating more varied wavy shapes. This step is actually optional. Decorate with gold acrylic paint and gold glitter. This is optional as well. Dip a cotton swab in gold acrylic and apply it to the edges. Then use a clean cotton swab, dip it in gold glitter and apply it to the patterns. You may also use gold acrylic to do this, but I want the patterns to show a bit shimmer finish, so I'm using gold glitter powder. Brush away any excess powder. Decorate with jeweled ropes and labels.